Alright, hello everyone, this is Mr. Crozier. I wanted to give you some help on lesson 7.1, which is adding and subtracting polynomials. The prefix poly means many, so our answers here have many terms in them. And all the terms are everything that's separated by pluses and minuses. So this problem has these two terms, 1, 2, plus these two terms. Well, the first thing we want to do is get rid of the parentheses, and that's pretty simple right here. There's just a 1 out here, so I have 1b minus 110 plus 1 4b and 1 3. So it's kind of like distributing. It's kind of like this 1 goes in with everything. And when there's just a 1 there, you just multiply by 1. This will sometimes be a 2 or a 3 or something, but right now it's just a 1. And now the job is to combine all the like terms, and these are alike. This is b and 4b make, well, that's 1, so that makes 5b. And then the other like term here are these ones, and minus 10 and minus 3 is minus 13. And now we have it down to 2 terms. So we took this problem up here that had 4 terms, and we simplified it down to this one that just has 2 terms. And again, remember, we don't combine numbers and letters. All right, on the next one, we have, let's see here, we have these 3 terms plus these 2 terms. All right, so we have 3 terms plus 2 terms. Well, let's go ahead and distribute this 1 in here. Well, that doesn't change anything. It's really simple when we have a 1 plus 7x squared minus x. Now we're going to combine like terms. Well, what's like? Well, this one is just like that one. So that's 1 plus 7, that is 8x squared. And this one is just like that one. So that is minus 2x's because there's 1, 2. And this poor guy is all by himself. And this is our answer with 1, 2, 3 terms. These do not go together. These are different terms. Letters are different than numbers, and x squareds are different than x's. 1, 2, 3 separate things. And make sure we put it in this order. From the highest degree exponent, there's a 2, there's a 1, there's nothing. 2, 1, nothing. In that order. Don't mix it up. You don't want to mix it up here and put your negative 2's first and then your numbers and put your 8 at the back. Don't do it this way here. You have to put your x squareds in the front. All right, now we're going to take these 3 terms minus these 3 terms. One of these, that's easy, but then here's the hard part. We are minusing all of these. So if you are minusing a minus, that's a negative times a negative is a positive. And a negative times a negative is a positive. And a negative times a positive is a negative. So you have to be careful. Up here it just didn't change because we had the plus. Here it's a negative, 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 make positive, negative, negative, make positive, negative, positive, make negative. All right, let's quickly put stuff together. This goes with this, 5p squared. This goes with this, 2p. Positive 3, negative 3, hey, that's 0. So I'm left with this. And again, these do not combine. They are as different as apples and bananas, x's and y's, numbers and letters. 2 terms. All right, finally, well, we have one of all of these, so that's just a negative k plus 5. Now I'm minus this, and watch, minus and minus is plus. All right, what's my highest exponent? Right there, negative 3k squared. What's my, sorry, yeah, and then now let's just go to k's. Well, that's just this one, minus k. And now numbers, this one and this one, plus 11. 1, 2, 3 terms, k squared, k1, k0. All right, hope this helps.